Dear viewers, welcome back to School of Civil Engineering. In a previous lecture, I have just shown you that how to design a simply supported beam and analyze that by using ACI codes as per ACI code. So in this lecture, I'm just going to show that how we'll design and how we'll analyze a fixed supported beam. So let's start. First of all, I'll open our software, and that was our previous model data. So I'll just close that. No, I don't want to save that, and here I'll click new, and from here everything is okay. Tekla Tedds USA US unit, so you can change that as per your requirement. So here I'll just go concrete option, and from here I'll just go RCC beam analysis and design as per ACI code, and from here I'll just go continue. Okay, I'll just go continue. So getting system analysis data. So when here this is here, first of all I'll go just design option. What will be the design option? You can change that. In our previous lecture also I have discussed about that as per your requirement here, like that. So as fixed, so I'll use that option, and for bottom that is okay, I'll use that option also, and I will use the code ACI 31814, and our position of shear check will be from support, not from D distance. Okay, not from D distance, it will be from support, and include minimum thickness check, that is okay. So I'll just click okay. When that okay, I'll first go for geometry. So what will be the geometry actually? So here I'll just go for fixed. So first of all I'll just simply click a, consider that a fixed, and that side also fixed, and size is 10 into 12 and the length is 12. So I'll just consider our sizes, select from here 10 into 12. I'll just consider that. Okay, but as per ACI code, our section size should be 12 into 12. So it's up to you that how we'll consider this. So I'm just using 12 into 12 and 20, then okay, and then close that. So here 12 into 20 says fixed and fixed, but if I move here, just see a fixed supported beam have created, and here everything is okay. The concrete ACI normal, so concrete ACI normal, and loading here. What will be the loading actually? So I'll not consider self weight, because I'll provide that self weight with our self weight of that structure with our calculated load. Okay, so dead load, and I'll just only provide dead load and live load. So what I'll do here, I'll just click, and for which load I'll provide for dead load, my uniform distributed load, varying distributed load, or I will just for uniformly distributed, I'll just click here. And if you need to add any load, just simply click here, and after that from here you can add snow, earthquake, roof load, seismic load. Okay, so it's up to you. So I'll just click, and I'll just delete load case 4 or delete. Yes. So here I'll just first of all I'll select dead load, and how much dead load I'll provide here, load per cube feet, I mean linear load. Oh, how much I'll consider dead load? 1.18, suppose 1.18, and for live load you can change here from here. So live load, I'll consider the live load, I'll consider for 2 kip. Okay, for 2 kip, and that's it, the load. And if you want to see the load combination, so here's the load combination on 1 into 2 into self for dead load, and 1.6 into live load. So this is as per ACI, and for service on this is for service load. So I just click okay, and after that loading okay, geometry okay, and combination also, combination is okay. Then I'll just click here and click preview result, and here I'll just go for materials details. So I'll use the materials 300 psi, and here density and 150 and 150, and here the yield strength of the reinforcement. So here I'll just consider 60 grade reinforcement, then okay. So when it's okay, then beam details, this is 1.5, 1.5 and 1.5, then okay. Now finally we have to go for reinforcement. Okay, we have to go for reinforcement. So I'll just simply click here and wait for some time. So we'll see what is okay and what is not okay. So here we are saying that our AS required 2 point, for top zone reinforcement required 2.203, but we have provided 1.76, right? And at middle we no need any reinforcement, but we have provided 0.884, and that side also we record reinforcement. So if we provide number 4 bar, always I prefer to use number 4 bar in reinforcement, and if I provide number 3 4 bar, and here also if I provide number 4 bar, that is 3. I'll just change that one by one, so that both are not okay, but our bottom we are seeing that everywhere is okay, because in that side our reinforcement required 0.705 inches square, but we have provided 0.8, so I'll also provide here number 4 bar. So just see, this set and this set is not okay, so I'll just provide 3 number 4 bar. Is it okay or not? Just see, is it not okay? So if we provide number 5 bar, see what happened. Now it's okay. And if I provide 5 bar, is it okay or not? So it's not okay. So what I'll do, I'll provide 2 number 6 bar, that will be more economical. 2 number 6 bar. So what will go for more bar here. So I'll just click here to see the section. So here we're seeing the section, but we're seeing we have provided reinforcement, more reinforcement here, the two. So where we have provided reinforcement, I'll just see. So here we have provided 3 number 4 bar. I'll just click OK, and bottom we have provided 6, so I'll just click OK. And here we have provided 2 6 bar, but at middle we no need to provide any reinforcement, because if I show you here in that zone, see, in that zone we have provided 2 bar. We have provided 2 bar here, so we can do here, we can provide here number 4 bar, 2 number 4 bar, that is okay also. Let's see, that is okay also. Now in bottom okay, but top that is not okay because of high value. So here 6, when we have provided 6 bar, that is not okay. 6 3 bar, and here 6 3 bar. So that side and that side okay, but that point here this is not okay. Okay, so here also we got some reinforcement. So if I see the section here, here we have provided 2 for reinforcement anywhere here for middle. So what we can do here, actually, if we provide 6 verse 16, then it will be problem of, so it's okay now. When we provided number 6 bar, so it's okay. So at middle zone, if we see at middle zone, we have to provide number 3 bar, and in left side we have to provide some extra reinforcement, like here 1 2 3 4 5 bar. So if we have any spacing problem, right, if we have any spacing problem, that how do we can do that, we can provide in zone 1 bar like that, and we can provide another zone, add another zone where we can provide number 6 2 bar. So here after that I'll click OK and wait. So it's showing some issue, and again I'll click that site, and here also I will provide one bar in top, and in another zone I will provide two bar. So it's not okay now. So it's not okay. We have provided little bit less reinforcement. Okay, we have provided a little bit less reinforcement in here 1 1. So what we can do that, if we increase a reinforcement here, then see what happen. Now in that side it's okay, but in that side they have little bit issue. And for right hanger, I mean right side, if we provide bar 3, then it's okay. So if I click here, okay, for left they have 3 bar in top, middle, and for right they have 3 bar, and here everything is okay. So what is the issue here? So if we see here the reinforcement in top and bottom, we got less reinforcement, and in middle also we have provided 4 reinforcement, and here in top 3. So in this way we are able to design, or we are able to do our work perfectly without any problem. So thank you very much. And after that, if I click here, so define span details, sorry, here what is the span details issue? So it's done 12 into, so designing, please wait. So everything is okay. Now I'll go for little bit share design. Is it, oh sorry, all 3 are existing. So what I can do, will provide number 3 bar. Here also I'll provide number 3 bar, and here also I provide number 3 bar, and our strap will be 2 leg, okay. And here 8.9. so if I provide 8 inch, again provide 8 inch, again provide 8 inch. So here we're seeing that our required is 0.85, but we have provided 0.33. so if we provide number 4 bar, see what happened. It's now okay, because we can provide number 4 bar, because we have provided number, if we provide number 4 bar, number 6 bar in, so it's okay. So I'll just click OK. Again so when see here everything is okay, and utilization ratio, that is almost around 8. That means we have designed a beam economical, we have designed economical section, okay. And if you need that, if you want to remove, or if you want to decrease the value, like what will be if we edit something, if we give her 10 and if we give her 18, now see what happened, okay. And wait for some time designing. Here see we have got 2 failure, one top reinforcement and on bottom reinforcement. So what I'll do, again I'll go geometry, then I will just change here, edit and select, and from here I'll just go for, if I go for 20, then close, then okay. Now see what happened. So we are not also to use that section, because for that section our top reinforcement are too close, and our shear, if we go here and what's happening with that? So here 4 bar, why? Section 2 and 1, we have provided 1 bar. Okay, and in left it's 4 and it's right. In left zone it's 4 1 6, then it's okay, but for right it's not okay. Too close problem. Okay, no problem. 1 into 3 into 2. So first of all I'll see about shear problem. So okay, if we use that, then we need reinforcement too closely, I mean strap too closely, so I'll not change while go for that problem. So actually here I'll just go edit, then select, then here I'll just give 12, then I hope it's okay now. Close. Okay, now see, it's okay. So after that, when it's okay, I'll just click finish to get our report, design report, and also our math report. So see here, everything we have done here, we have done everything in our work, right? So that was our today's lecture, and I hope this is the data, and if you study that, you'll be able to understand everything. So thank you very much. Still stay connected till next video, and if you think that was helpful for you, then must subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon so that you get every update ever first. And also you can connect me on LinkedIn if you have any question or if you have any interest. So thank you.